Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to share with you my favorite Amazon finds in the last 3 to 6 months. My house is actually filled with a lot of things from Amazon. Of course I cannot show you each and everything, but I selected a few which I really like. So hopefully it will be helpful for you. I will link all the links in the description below this video and also the prices at which I got them. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first thing that I want to show you guys are two vases and some artificial flowers. First one is this cute little donut vase or vase. So this is very trending nowadays. I think for the past year I see a lot of people using these ceramic donut shaped vases, and they actually look so cute. This is a small version of it. You have a bigger one as well on Amazon, and this is I think ceramic, and it's a very good quality, and I really like the way it looks. And I use these artificial eucalyptus leaves, if you can see. These are also so good. I keep these in this vase and put them on my dining table, and they immediately boom up the look of the entire room. So this is one, and the next vase that I want to show you is this one right here. This is a pink one. This is also I think is ceramic if I'm not wrong, and it's really cute. I love the color. Also they have it in many different colors, I think 5 to 6 different colors, and this is absolutely the perfect size as well. And I keep these white artificial flowers in them on my entertainment unit next to my TV, and it also looks so good. People have actually asked me where I got this vase from. So this is from Amazon, and it's absolutely affordable. Check it out. I will link the vases as well as the artificial flowers in the description. Next up I have this soap dispenser, very random. They come in a set of 2, and they look so chic and so I think aesthetically pleasing, I would say. I have put some hand wash inside. This is actually the one that I am currently using in my bathroom, and we have one in each of the bathrooms in the house. So these are also very good quality. It is glass, and these pumps are I think steel. So these are also quite affordable. This is the price at which I got them. So cute. Next up is something very useful. So I have these 2-liter water bottles with me. We actually have all the 4 colors that are available, don't judge me. So 2 are used by my husband Gaurav, and 2 I use. And they look also so cute. 2-liter bottles, and they have these markings on them on the volume part, and on the other side they have quotations like, you know, you did it, almost finished, don't give up, feeling awesome, keep chugging, remember your goal, hydrate yourself, good morning. So all of these things are there based on the times, based on different times of the day. So it's really cute, and they look also so pretty, and the quality is amazing, very good quality. And you have a button here which you press and the zipper comes out. Don't mind me, it's a bit dirty because I drank water with my lipstick on. And it's very easy to use. You can put this lid up here and it gets locked, so that even if it gets pressed inside maybe your bag, it won't leak out. And if you want to use it, drop it down and then press it below. These bottles, if you don't have, you should definitely get them. There is also a 1-liter version of it which I also have, which I use for my gym. It's in my gym bag right now. So they are also available in many different beautiful colors, so check them out. Next up I have this basket. This is a knitted basket. I don't know what you call this. This is actually made out of very thick what do you call it, yarn tied together, and this has these leather pieces detailing here on the sides, and the color also is so pretty. It looks absolutely beautiful. I keep it on top of my bedside table, and it's very easy to keep the things that I need on a daily basis, like my Vaseline or my medicines or lip balm. Those things I keep it here next to on my bedside table, and it looks so pretty. And you can of course use it in many different ways you want. Yeah, I just love it. Next, I have two bags. First one here is a shoulder bag that I have. This is a very modern style and looks so chic. I think you would agree, and yet so affordable. Nobody would guess what the price is. So it's just this thing that you need to turn, and there's actually enough space for your wallet and your phone and your lipstick and a few other things, your keys. So it has another flap here as well in the front, this one, and there's a bigger flap inside, and there's also a small one. Maybe to hold your phone or some cash. So it's really nice. The quality is also very good. I don't know how long lasting it will, but for the price, even if I can use it for 1 or 2 years, I think I'll be very happy. The next bag is a beach bag. So I recently used this when I went to Goa for my vacation, and this looked so stunning with all my beach wears and basically overall on the beach. It just looked so nice. This is a jute bag and it has such pretty colors on it, and even the handles are so cute, and it's very sturdy. By the way, I carried so many things in this. I even carried it in the airport with those heavy water bottles and my pouch and makeup, and even I think one pair of shoes, but held on, it did not break, did not budge. It's just amazing, very strong bag, and yet looks so pretty. Next up, I again have something very, very useful in the kitchen. Now this is a vegetable chopper. I have been using, this is actually my second purchase. I have 2 of them, and I have also given one to my mom because it's such a handy product. You just have to chop up maybe, let's say, your onions. You just chop it up into 4 big pieces and keep the pieces here, and you close this, okay, and you pull on this. So you see the blade rotates inside, and the blades are very sharp. Be careful while you wash it, by the way. So, and it chops up the vegetables into such small pieces, and it's just amazing. It's so useful. I think it's from the brand, it's from Pigeon, and I think that's quite a well-known brand. Even my induction cooker is from Pigeon, so it's a good brand, and the thing is sturdy. It won't break easily, and I think everyone should get this. It's very affordable, and it will reduce your work so much, your effort so much, and it chops up the vegetables very neatly into very nice fine pieces. It's amazing. Last but not the least, I want to show you this. Now this is from the brand XOXO. I will anyways link it below. This is a laptop stand, so you can adjust the height, so it can come down, and you can just keep it like this, the laptop here, or you can pull it up and adjust the height accordingly. So this is something very, very essential, I feel, for people like me. If you are also someone like me who needs to work on their laptop for long hours, you should definitely get something like this, because unknowingly we hunch so much, and we keep and while we focus on our work, that it actually started to pain for me at the back of my neck, and I used to feel so stiff. But this has really helped, and it makes sure that my head is, I am looking in front and not down like this, and my neck is not bent. So this is something I feel is very, very essential for people who work on their laptops for long hours. So give it a try and thank me later. So these are all the things I wanted to share with you guys today in this video. Of course, there are so many other things from Amazon that I use on a daily basis. Maybe I can make another video after 3 months with more updated products. But anyways, if you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. That would really mean the world to me. And take care and have a nice day. Bye.